do do doobie doo wah ba ba ba.
Hey guys, it's me, Emily. Happy late Valentine's Day. I came on today to just share with you what I'm gonna give to my neighbors. So I'm friends with a few of my neighbors, but some of them I haven't ever talked to, and because I'm an introvert, it's hard for me to just like go up to them. So I made these cookies and packaged them all nicely so I can go over to their house and have an excuse just to introduce myself. So I am going to take these to them late. It's already 3 days after Valentine's Day, but I doubt they will be upset about that. I mean, everyone likes cookies. So today it's like raining and dreary outside, so I'm drinking my coffee, which goes perfectly with these cookies. And have you guys had this coffee from Trader Joe's? Oh my gosh, this stuff is so good. I just drink it black because it's so tasty. I really like it. Anyway, I was going off on a tangent, but I really want to know if anyone else has had it because I'm loving it right now. So I made these cookies. I think they're called like crinkle cookies, and they're really easy. I enjoy baking, but these were just so pretty that it didn't matter to me that they weren't really baking. So you just mix like a box of strawberry cake mix with a container of Cool Whip and like 2 eggs, or maybe 1 egg, and that's it. You put that in the oven and you can decorate it, and they come out like this. Oh, and you have to cover them in powdered sugar first. I'll try to remember to leave a link for you guys for the recipe. So this one has like silvery, sorry about the glare, silvery sprinkles, and then this one has gold sprinkles. And Michael's on Valentine's Day was out of sprinkles, Valentine's sprinkles, but luckily Walmart pulled through, and so I got some nice cute Valentine's sprinkles. And this is how I decorated the bag. So I just cut a piece of cardstock and stapled it onto one of these bags from the party section at Dollar Tree. And I just used washi to decorate up here. This is a sticker from Target Dollar Spot, and some more washi, and that's it. But I really think like the presentation is gonna make them taste so much better. But I just wanted to share that with you guys. I hope everyone's doing good, staying warm, staying safe. I look forward to any comments you might have. I really like hearing from you guys, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.